I love to see this. And now I listen to the song. And then I don't follow her story back in the day before now anyways. And so now the reason why I get her in the building. Hi, GUCHI.
Hi, I wanted to come and hug you.
Oh my darling, but of course, come on. We guys hug. Lagos, hold on, they come back. I love your color.
Thank you.
Woo, find me there. Anywhere. All right, Lagos, you still they hear us, but because the mic's there on. Yes, so GUCHI's in the building. And then, of course, we're going to talk about plenty things. You know Jennifer, right? Yes, now national anthem be that. Superstar DJ in on the wheels of steel. Maybe we'll go start our day with Jennifer. And then we go proceed to more things. A collaboration with Yemi Alade.
Yeah.
It's a banger.
Yeah, it's a banger.
Yes, I want to hear all the story, all the gist where they're behind this. But I love it. I love when I see the girl power. I love to see it. Like I know me and Indo be they discussed. Hey, she and Yemi Alade did the song, and I like. So she go this song, and I want to see more. But Lagos, we go take that break. Once we come back, you go hear more from our girl GUCHI in the building. Come back, we're still there on the spotlight with GUCHI, and of course we get plenty messages where they're coming already. I could just read for you. Somebody say, hi GUCHI, I'm one of your friends. I love you and I love your song too much. More grace to you.
Thank you. I love you too.
Yes, that's confidence from Lekki. And we get another, but Cheche, please, you're streaming. Yes, we stream live, so you go see her. Cheche, who wear purple? You know the person. Yes, thank you. You already know. You said Cheche, who wear purple. And I just say you go see me, so you know the person where they shine for purple there. Good to have GUCHI in the building, the girl with the colors. Cheche, I know say you will love her too much because shut up. Okay, so we move on the spotlight. Now tell me every single thing what I need to know about I Swear. Now your collaboration with Yemi Alade. Tell me how the story been start and why Yemi Alade.
I've been saying Yemi. I can speak broken.
Yes, now pidgin would they speak.
Okay. So I've been saying.
If you want to pick your dialect, no Allah.
I've been saying Yemi Alade message since 2016 when I still there Abuja. You know, I've been telling her, say, Mama, I love you so much and stuff. And she replied me last year.
You've been sent down which year?
2016.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I guess calm down, to be clear. But it happens, yeah?
Yeah, it happens.
Because the DM, they always day fire.
Yes. So she replied me last year.
She replied you?
Yes.
Tell me the day when you see that reply. How your reaction be?
I wasn't surprised.
Okay, I know, of course, because you don't work hard to come with, but at
surprised.
least some kind of feelings been come up because you don't send this thing a long time.
Yes, of course. Oh, this is somebody I was looking up to, and then she's replying my message. Yes, not just like a regular reply.
Of course, now that kind of.
Yeah, she's saying, "I want to see you."
Ouch.
Yes, she's saying, "I want to see you." She sent me her address and she said, "Come so day."
Wow.
Yeah, and when I meet her, she was totally different from the kind of person I thought she was.
Where you done the thing?
I was thinking she's really strict. She's all to herself, but then she's so nice. She's so lovable. Like, she's like my GUCHI, my mini me. Oh. Yeah, she was really nice, and the energy was just right. There's something about energy.
Yes.
Once the energy is right,
see me blushing.
Falls in place.
All right, and so the song, it gave birth to this, I Swear.
Yeah.
Now I see some of the videos where you don't post out the play, like you guys be there. You having fun in it.
It was not fake.
Yes.
That is her. She plays a lot. She's like me. I play a lot.
I see the other one where she back you.
Yes. Where she gets her energy. Like, she was wearing heels and then I was shouting, leave me. She said, climb my back. Yeah, because it was a successful shoot, and then she was excited that everything went well.
So who write the song? Who write this? I Swear. You be write your own verse, and
yes, I wrote my verse. She wrote her verse. So it was just cool. If you notice, if you listen to the song, you definitely see the difference. You see GUCHI and then you see Yemi Alade. Awesome. So it's an amazing collaboration of Yemi and GUCHI. Like,
now, so many people, it get better by the day because so many people actually believe, say, the industry, especially the female part of of the industry, una know they warn, una know they are peace with yourself, like una know get friendship. I know one talk say no be say quarrel deal, but una know just they feel each other vibe. Unlike the guys, where be say anybody go fit jump inside anybody house go record. Some as I can fit call black bones now say they come your house. But I know they have say it be full and they come. But the ladies know it get waiting I mean. Yeah, but waiting they cause that kind of bad energy.
I just think every lady is trying to be protective of themselves. You know, as we women we know they keep quiet, we know they fit, you know, you understand. So everybody is just,
so would they jab anyhow?
Yes, it's not like we don't want to really mingle. We want to mingle, but we still they fear. Say,
if you go mingle for a wrong place,
exactly. So I don't blame them. But though I've not felt that kind of energy in the industry, everybody have been really nice. Everybody that I've really met that are female. I have a song with Leah. Like the energy is just cool. Then with
maybe you get to deal with the kind of person where you be. You they bring the right vibe, huh?
Yeah, maybe.
Awesome.
Then with Yemi Alade was just amazing.
It was magical, huh?
Yeah.
Awesome. Somebody say, I did listen, I love her so much. Okay. Listening to your program now. I be done they follow your son. Cheche don't you Jennifer Kimi. You go close your mouth there. Close your mouth. Jennifer love don't they normally. I don't know how she go take feel rescue me from Jennifer. All right, because every single girl where I know now where they follow another person for that Jennifer. Or you be Jessica or Jennifer. That shall to be a fire in your name. Gucci Popo, I love you. Eberechi from Ijegu. They greet you.
I love you too.
Okay. Please, is Gucci in a relationship? I'm interested. I'm here in the UK, Manchester. Keep chesting what you're chesting there. But it's all disturbing. We there here in Nigeria. We want vote. They talk Manchester. Chacha, please, where would I see Gucci? What do you mean? Hello, sorry, excuse me. Excuse me. Or no, excuse you. All right. So you've been there Abuja before now.
Yeah.
At what points where you decide say I guess come Lagos? Fully. Because normally they come Lagos they
me coming to Lagos was like my first time in Lagos.
It's a lie.
Yes.
Which year?
That was 2019.
Waiting be your culture shock for Lagos?
Culture shock.
Yes, waiting be that thing where you see, but because Abuja, I get a lot of Abuja friends and family.
I just say Lagos get the entertainment spirit past every other state. So I guess come here. I don't want to be comfortable, and if I'm in Abuja, I'll be comfortable with the hype. My community people. They say, you're doing well.
It's Gucci.
So
my community people.
I don't want to be comfortable. If I take the hype there, they sweet me. For my area.
So you guys pursue that. Exactly. Make I go where the hype the real hype. Yes. Where we not be say they be our community people. This where really
the competition is high, where you have to work like times 4 harder.
But the way most people they release songs, I know say the competition for the guys. Some of them really when I don't talk to them one-on-one, they know they rest. They know they sleep. They always they want to hear waiting this person they do waiting, and sometimes they discuss them between themselves waiting their sup. For the female now, when they feel like that, like say, oh, this person don't drop, that person don't drop, I guess drop. If I never drop, like say I dey cold.
For me or for my own side, I know they drop because person drop.
Yeah.
Because if you drop like that, you just they drop rubbish. Yes, for my own side though, I know they drop because person they drop.
Yes.
But then I still want let people know say waiting the guys can do me if I can do
if you do
yes.
You get any best friend in the industry?
Best friend.
Yes.
Best friend.
Yes.
Somebody that genuinely not Jazzy.
Wow. That's cool. No, you carry me go like this.
No, maybe he be my best friend, but I know being best friend.
Yes, but it happen. You know it happens, huh? You get somebody where you really say this person.
Because like I just feel say that genuine kind na person where I feel called and say listen to this song
and he go listen. And he go give you the right advice.
Exactly.
If you don't sing Rob, he go tell you Gucci no bring this thing out.
He go tell me the truth. So,
yeah.
Aside from my team, I believe say now one person where they look up to like my daddy for industry.
Awesome. John does a copy that. Yeah. Okay, so now I swear the video don't come out, official video.
The video is coming out soon.
Oh my goodness.
Soon.
I know it's gonna be some rainbow things happening. But now, make I also ask you, where does this living life in colors when it start for you? What inspire?
My dad. Let me say my dad. Because growing up was me listening to music. You know, this country they force you. without knowing say they force you. My popsy go wake up. They will always wake up very early. He wake up very early and then he's cleaning the house and then he's playing music, loud music.
Wow. Everybody guys wake up.
You guys wake up. Even though they sleep, you go to hear them from your sleep.
Oh.
So it kind of influenced my music and the kind of music that I listen to. Yeah, so I grew up listening to songs, and then I had to join the choir when I was really very young. I was like 7 years old when I joined
7 years old?
Yes.
What did I sing for the soprano?
Anything
where they sing.
I did, yeah, hold mic. They suit me.
They raise up holy hands. Wow, one of my favorite day in the building. I love her. Gucci, I love your songs.
I love you too. Thank you.
Cheche, I love the girl. I have been wanting to see her. I play her music every day in the US, and this traffic is not allowing me to be there now. Cheche, no, so hurry up. Now one of our fans actually. I don't go. One of our stays in the US. Okay, hi Cheche. Good. I just joined the building now. I love Gucci. And she loves you too.
I love you too.
DJ Indo, please make we hear I swear, and then we'll return back to her. I know if you wait for the video to come out, I won't watch for myself, to analyze for myself. But I they come back later. Digital also copy that because Gucci go do some, she go show herself. This song go shall make somebody just fall in love. Nah. Even when the person never read you. Gucci. Oh, Chacha, please tell Gucci Popo. They don't nickname you. Say I love her. Buzo from UK. Buzo, what's all this?
Thank you. I love you too, Buzo.
Okay, before I even talk, Gucci, I you are supposed to be sinking here. Buzo, yeah, sorry. Now me before Buzo not make me enemy because you don't know. Buzo, don't worry. When she come, UK, make you buy tickets for your village people. Mona go. God, they say. You are there, you can give one village, no nade. Shasha, please tell that fine girl in the building. I feel fine girl. Where you watching her from? Don't really well done. Chicha, if to say I never marry her for like to propose, I hold your proposal to yourself. If you propose work, give her. That's the kind of proposal.
Yes, exactly.
Work proposal. That's what we accept. Okay. Shasha, Gucci, they give me vibe with all her songs. I love Gucci. Gucci give okay, you just sing with her name, huh? Now, wow, the voice is a banger. I love her. Ego from Agor, sending her love here from Cameroon. Oh shit, I like that her too. You say you like her Benzema song.
Yeah, Benzema is a good song too.
Benzema, yes. Hey, it is Congo, everything. But you see, you're not prophet. No,
yes,
thank you. Thank you. Say you mentioned Benzema now. You're not Benzema supposed to call you, give you your flowers.
Normally.
Now, if like say you see vision. Now, because Benzema never begin the hot then. We never even see Benzema just did. There are not plenty of us that year. The next thing, this song can't come out. The next thing, Benzema don't blow worldwide everywhere. Come on. I probably use my name sing. What's the apple? Benzema, yes. Oh, you be a good fan. You remind me of Benzema. You are now well done all the way from Ojota. I say I love that Benzema. So she's from my state. No wonder you know how reach out. What's it be a papa? What's it be a mama? You know how reach out. He said I get one of her videos she did. Some dancing moves then they scatter my head. They scatter my head in a song too. He said I really love Gucci.
Thank you.
This is not one of them. Not one of them. If you ever they think to give up, no give up because of this person. You know fit at all. Cheches me, Gucci is a banger in the building. Get some people who deserve to be known in Nigerian industry. She be one of them. Aww. Wow. Good afternoon, my dear. Please, I need favor from you. Oh, okay. They talk about different things. Okay, I will read this message. Okay, later. We missed you. And we love her voice. Okay, help me tell her that I love her. You tell her yourself.
Thank you. I love you.
Tell her yourself. Okay. Hello, Church. Sending her love all the way from Sweden. Here, we love her colors.
Thank you.
No worry, she go bring the colors to Sweden, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. And time for us to feel. I don't know, digital. They don't ready. Okay, so with the flow, we just want to hear one or two from not the song, but just to have her because you know how they do. We tend to put out on our own social media platform. But superstar DJ Indo give us that vibe. Gucci, there you go. I'm ready now. Church, I'm so offended that this study interview. No, you go feel watch recap. Okay. Okay. Hey, Cheche, good afternoon. There is no difference between Gucci's sweet voice and also they compare you to Aya. They say both of you get the kind of vibes where they come out, where they feel right. And yes, and now why she also be don't just people want they don't just say just come to the house, just sit down here and sing. I love you, Gucci. That's King Legend.
Thank you. I love you too.
Okay, good morning from Dallas. I'm here tripping to the sound of her song.
Thank you.
You say Lockdown. What a great song. Keep it beautiful. Beautiful sister. Keep it up. Phenomenal voice. Now which you get. You from Dallas.
Thank you.
Okay. Cheche, I see Amo Benzema. Yes. She be legend. That here. We sing Benzema. Yes. Her name na Gucci. Please give her flowers. Cheche, I first love that purple babe. Then tell her to that I love her too. Okay, should they hear you? My name na Confidence. So much love on my WhatsApp for you. Come on.
Thank you, guys.
I'm Confidence. Please, Cheche, reply this message. I will go reply. Cheche, ask her if she get boyfriend. When we ask her, send proposal for work. He say boyfriend. She not go chop before she get boyfriend.
I'm telling you.
Wow. No, they go come to first now for that side. If you there US now, they plan on sit manager, open your phone. Maybe they call you, baby. One go to, one go perform. There's no be Rema do magic for us yesterday. But go do our own too. I'm one of the stress person say marriage. Share, please. How can I follow her? Okay, here, there we go. Where do people go get your songs and then the best way for them to follow you? Because now we don't come talk about. Okay. Somebody they talk about another thing. They ask you to feature somebody. You know who he mentioned? Say Ashake. Please, Gucci, which song you and Ashake go do together? Gucci, please imagine you and Ashake right now. Because
it's gonna be a banger.
Because you really need to imagine it.
It's gonna be a banger.
Yes, because the flock, the vibe day, number one. The colors are gonna play. You what we're talking. Manager, please come on, make the call.
Manager, please, make the call.
Make the call. Go. Somebody, thank you. She likes that. I really love her song. Benzema is a banger for me. Okay, now I swear it has to be a banger for you. Yeah. So have the best way for them to reach out.
If you want to follow me on Instagram at official Gucci, the Gucci is GUCHI. And if you want to get any of my songs, stream any of my songs, just search for Gucci anywhere and you'll find it. The Gucci is GUCHI.
Yes. What's your real name normally?
My real name na Ugochi.
Yes.
Ugochi Onoha.
Nice.
Typical Igbo girl.
Work, man. Hi, Cheche. I love Gucci. Gucci, make I collaborate with you now. What you don't sing before? Bring what you write first. Make us collaborate. Hi, Cheche. I love her. When should they come Germany? We go calculate. What do they use now? Euro, right? Gas calculator.
We'll calculate.
Gonna be everywhere with the good now. Now be India go come say you coming. We're not coming.
No, we are coming.
We're coming.
As the money is there.
Okay. Yes, as long as you people senior Naira. I'm a patriotic Nigeria. God have mercy. Naira, stand up, sir. Fight for yourself. She is so cute and generous. I like her from the day I started listening to her. And Jennifer.
Thank you.
Can you tell us where to watch this thing again? Okay, you go figure the recap. Waiting, digital they point hand like this. Digital it apple. If you want advert, now go call your copy. Okay, catch the recap. Okay, then they listen to me. They hear waiting I talk. Catch the recap of this particular segment in the YouTube. Of course, today for Facebook, wazobiafm.com, and now there you go free. And for you to also see the freestyle, of course, every of our social media platform, Trust Digital, they go paste them everywhere now for you. All right, and for Gucci, seriously, they really want that Ashake thing. Do your thing, please. Do your thing. They want them out. You deserve them. You don't work seriously for a man, of course. Baby girl, we there all here rooting for you. Low key, I don't know. Maybe if you not tell you, but low key, this guy, he vibes with you.
Thank you.
Yes, but you no good talk. The pride is too much. It's too much pride. But I can tell you for free, he vibes with
Thank you.
Okay. Even the dad not remember Rouge. He will play it. Okay, guys, go download the songs and of course show some love to the baby girl. You know, we need to begin to collect the bags. Okay, very important. But I really love to ask you for the Nigerian music. How proud you day where you they go?
I've never been this proud to be a Nigerian. Like the Afrobeats is going
my heart
global. It's already global.
Yes, it is.
And it's helping us. It's helping people like us. Like normally before streams they had now. But now you just get streams because people love the Afro sound. So I'm super happy about it.
Somebody say Gucci more wings. We love your voice, and I know as long as you don't come for Cheche show, you go come back again. What do you mean? Of course you will.
This is not my first time.
This is not our first time to Wazobia. All right, guys, you go fit catch the recap like I've been telling you on our YouTube and our Facebook platform to feel watch in case you missed this particular interview, and of course the Instagram handle and different other handles. That's
official Gucci everywhere.
Everywhere official Gucci. Please, guys, follow her, show her some love. Okay, we love you plenty, and of course I swear they're on repeat, and so you self got to be part of waiting they happen for here. Lagos, they come back to you next. We get gist, and before Palava they come, the name na still Churches Smith.